A potato is more than meets the eye. It can vary in size, shape and color. However, it's actually what's inside that matters, the amount of water and solids. Also sugar, protein and fats are important characteristics in our raw food materials. And here, in the chemical composition, there are vast differences. Raw food materials of different qualities are often treated differently and processed into different products. If the raw materials are used incorrectly, the quality will be poorer. The product becomes unnecessary food loss. It also gives a bad reputation and a financial loss. But how can we see which potato consists of 75% water and which has 80%? And how can the fat content in two equally sized salmon be measured? The solution is to use sensor technology based on spectroscopy. Here, we illuminate the product. Some of the wavelengths are absorbed into the flesh while the remainder is reflected back, depending on how much fat, water and protein it contains. The information is picked up by a sensor that then provides us with a digital reproduction of the nutritional content and quality of the food. We have now digitalized the food quality. It happens really quickly, in a fraction of a second, and without damaging or affecting the product. Light measurements provide completely new opportunities for the optimization of the industrial process. For example, our two salmon with different fat percentages will provide fish fillets of quite different quality. This means that they can be sorted to markets that have different preferences regarding the amount of fat. They can also be processed differently, where the lean one is suitable for smoking and the fattier one can be used for sushi. By using spectroscopy, all data can be collected and systematized. As a result, one can learn more about what causes variations in quality, and the whole value chain can be improved. Nofima is working to further develop this type of technology and its applications. The goal is to get the most value from the raw foodstuff and the least amount of food loss as possible.